Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fake plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always made it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so frustrated. And I'm really like the way about, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game I'm gonna play, yeah. Got me feeling lonely. I want that body that you show me. She's got a body like a cocaine. She got you keep the party going. Body baby, show me. When you're dressed, I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriend, 'cause all the guys that you denied. Yeah, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, they say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. The boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's got in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. Got a body that is so thick.